morning, we've got fitness and nutrition expert Stephanie Mansour here with the best celebs to follow on social media for just this. So social media, it's a good way to kind of get inspiration. Like I'm always screenshotting things that I see on there. And you know, celebs, it's their job to do this. So there's a lot of good, you know, favorite stars that keep fitness and nutrition goals really well. So tell us about that.
Yeah, well, I think that we should all follow John and see how well he does.
See how he fares
to inspire us.
Yeah.
But you know, speaking of the celebrities online, they are all over the place with their fitness routines, their cookbooks even, and it's very inspirational because we're all sitting there on our phones anyway, so why not use something like Instagram to our benefit? So if you are looking for help to stay on track, I have a couple recommendations for us to follow.
Give it to us.
So first, starting over here with Chrissy Teigen. Now, this is her second cookbook, and she's all about getting foods that kind of help with your cravings. So a lot of her recipes are simple. They're somewhat healthy, but not super healthy, and this is actually her salted maple oatmeal, or I'm sorry, granola that she makes, and it's really yummy. It's really simple to make, and there's photos in here with her and her husband. Her family's in the kitchen, and it's inspirational just to see that you can do this, you know, for not only yourself but also for your family.
Yeah, I've been wanting to check out her book. So I'm excited that you recommended that.
Yeah.
Okay, what about Kristen Cavallari?
Yes, so she is like the quintessential businesswoman who's kind of doing it all. She's got the kids, the husband, and now she's got her cookbook, and this cookbook is a little more on the healthier side, I would say. So she's big into, you know, soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. This is one of her, it's so dang, I'm editing, good oatmeal, and it's delicious. It's super easy to make, and I love these two breakfasts as examples because you really want to pack in that protein, and both of these contain nuts, so that's really
and
good.
They're filling too.
Yes,
like when I eat oatmeal, it's like pretty healthy for you. It's really good for lowering your cholesterol, and you're just like, I ate a filling good meal, like I'm not starving.
Right, and you feel satisfied, and it's good for you nutrition too.
Well, that one sounds really good if you're avoiding like allergens and stuff too.
Yes, I love her cookbook for that.
What about the next one?
The next one is all about workouts. So taking our first workout person here, this is Octavia Spencer. Now, she is so inspirational, and I love her because this is all a workout on set, Carly. She is filming here, and they did a workout break, and she's very inspirational because she's showing you that you can work out not only anywhere, anytime, but that you can also work out at any level. So this is not a super intense workout, and maybe she's getting like a little out of breath.
Yeah, they're in like jeans.
Yeah,
too.
I know.
They're not even like in workout gear.
I know.
Meanwhile, I'm wearing athleisure, just like not going to the gym.
At least the intention is there, right?
That's what matters.
So it's basically like, you know, if Octavia can do it, so can you. We can all fit this into our everyday lives. Now, the next person that I find really inspirational on social media is Jessica Biel. And she has, you know, that athletic body. So again, it's not like you need to be super thin in order to, you know, be doing workout videos or working out. But I love what she's showing us here because this was a challenging exercise move.
Like how would I not fall off of that thing?
I know. She built up to it over a period of a few months.
My God.
There's even, I'm not sure if it's this video or another one, but she's like celebrating that she achieved this. So
is she trying to be like a superhero in a movie or something?
I'm not sure, actually.
What's going on?
But she's great because she's showing us, you know, hey, it's great to have a workout challenge that you can work towards in your workout. So
what about?
I was just gonna say, not every workout has to be super intense, like we will see coming up. But you can have one intense move that you're trying to integrate.
Speaking of intense, the guy that gets up before 4 a.m. to work out, The Rock.
Yes, so I love his motivational workouts on here because he's all about the high intensity interval training, HIIT, and that has shown up on numerous years studies of the most popular workouts for each year. So the high intensity interval training is great because it's getting your heart rate up because you're moving from one exercise to another, and you're also really trying to challenge yourself in every exercise, so you're kind of going to your last, you know, breath or your last rep as hard as you can go. And then finally we have Hugh Jackman, and I love how he shows himself working out with a trainer.
We're talking about National Personal Trainer Day.
So if you are looking to really kick it into high gear this year, especially 2019, it's important to look for a fitness professional that you can hire. So I've got online workouts, we have a workout DVD, a free 21-day challenge online. You can follow me for workouts as a certified trainer. I post them. And
what's your favorite workout?
My favorite workout for myself is what I created. It's the Step It Up with Steph workout.
Yep.
But it's a combination of high intensity interval training, cardio, strength training, abs, and yoga stretching.
Sounds very effective.
Yes.
Thank you, Steph. Thanks so much for coming here today.
Sure.
If you guys want to get more info from Steph, log on to stepitupwithsteph.com.